Hey everyone! The Vivo V40 series, featuring the Vivo V40 and Vivo V40 Pro, is set to create a substantial impact in the smartphone market. Vivo is known for its emphasis on camera technology and innovative designs, and this series aims to offer a blend of advanced features and premium aesthetics. Here's a detailed look at these devices. Design and display. The design of both the Vivo V40 and V40 Pro highlights sleekness and elegance, appealing to users who value aesthetics and functionality. Both models are expected to feature slim profiles and high-quality materials, such as glass backs and aluminum frames, ensuring durability and a premium feel. The V40 is likely to come with a 6.56-inch AMOLED display, offering full HD Plus resolution, 1080 by 2400 pixels. The display is expected to support a 120 Hz refresh rate, which will enhance the smoothness of animations and gaming experiences. The AMOLED panel will provide vibrant colors and deep blacks, making it ideal for media consumption. The Pro variant is anticipated to feature a slightly larger 6.67-inch AMOLED display with the same full HD Plus resolution and 120 Hz refresh rate. Additionally, it may offer HDR10+ support, which would enhance contrast and color accuracy, particularly for high-definition content. Camera capabilities. Vivo is renowned for its camera technology, and the V40 series is expected to uphold this reputation. Both models are likely to feature advanced camera systems developed in collaboration with Zeiss, a leader in optical technology. Vivo V40. This model is expected to include a triple camera setup, featuring a 64MP primary sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 2MP macro sensor. The front camera will likely be a 32MP sensor, designed for high-quality selfies and video calls. Vivo V40 Pro. The Pro model is anticipated to elevate the camera experience with a quad-camera system, including a 108MP main sensor, a 16MP ultra-wide lens, a 12MP telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom, and a 2MP depth sensor. The front camera is expected to be a 44MP sensor, ideal for selfies and vlogging. Performance and battery life. The Vivo V40 series is designed to deliver robust performance, suitable for both everyday use and more demanding tasks. Vivo V40. This model is expected to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 1200 chipset, paired with up to 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. This configuration will provide smooth multitasking and efficient performance across various applications. Vivo V40 Pro. The Pro variant is likely to feature the Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 chipset, coupled with up to 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. This setup will offer superior performance, particularly for gaming and intensive multitasking. Both models are expected to come with substantial batteries. The V40 is rumored to have a 4,500 mAh battery, while the V40 Pro may include a 4,700 mAh battery. Both are likely to support 66W fast charging, allowing users to quickly recharge their devices and minimize downtime. Software and connectivity. The Vivo V40 series will likely run on Funtouch OS, based on Android 12, offering a customizable and user-friendly interface. Both models are expected to support 5G connectivity, ensuring fast internet speeds and future-proofing the devices for next-generation networks. Additional connectivity options are likely to include Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and NFC, which will facilitate contactless payments and other modern wireless functionalities. Conclusion. The Vivo V40 and V40 Pro are poised to be strong contenders in the smartphone market, particularly for users who prioritize camera performance, design, and robust hardware. With their advanced features and premium build, these devices are set to attract a broad audience looking for a high-quality smartphone experience at a competitive price point. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more smartphones video fans.